Hi everyone, this is a DIY video for making a centerpiece for any occasion or any room in your home. The construction of this centerpiece consists of 3 picture frames in the front, 3 in the back, and 1 on each end. It's very simple and easy. If you follow the pictures, it'll show you exactly how to go and do it. And this is the construction, the foundation to hold it together. And you're just using a foam board here from the Dollar Tree. And you're putting together the 3 measure pieces. You can measure your pieces by the length of your frames, the 3 frames together. You're only using just the glue gun to construct this, help you to construct this. And you see 2 small end boards that was cut for the end. It's your option to use it. Actually, I didn't have to use it because of the construction that was the cardboard that was on the picture frames in the back. After constructing these 3 pieces, you want to let it dry completely before you start adding your frames on the front. Remember, there's 3 frames on each side of the construction, and there's 1 frame on each end of the construction. And that's the end board that you don't have to use if you don't want to. Now it's ready to apply the frames, and I'm just using glue and showing you how to cover the back of the picture frame to glue it down. And you don't have to really use a lot, but I just like to make sure that all ends are covered. So this is my way of showing you how. So once you have applied your glue, now you're going to flip this over and press firmly to attach the frame. Now remember, you're going to attach 3 frames to the front and 3 picture frames to the back and 1 on each end. And let this dry completely. After everything dry, this is your results. Now all you have to do is add your flowers, your foam and your flowers, and you're done. You will see two different looks for the centerpiece, and how you embezzle it is your decision of how you want to design it, but you can add more decorative pieces to it. Which design do you like? Comment below and let me know. So this is the end results of what I designed at the end to keep it this way, but it's up to you. I want to thank everyone for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you. And there's more DIYs and home decor to come. Don't forget to share this video and to watch my other videos. In what room would you put this centerpiece? Either a table escape or a special occasion or any place in your home. Let me know.